Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we are going to discuss about chapter 5. The name is India Physical Features. India Physical Features, and in this we will discuss about exercise A. Circle the correct options. Two options are given here and you have to choose right ones. So first one is low hills located in central India. Low hills located in central India. Which is the low hill in central India? What will be the answer? Satpura range. Answer will be Satpura range. Satpura range is low hills located in the central Asia. Next is a snow-fed river that originates in the Himalayas. Snow-fed rivers. The river which is fed a river, snow-fed river that originates in the Himalaya. You have to tell the name of the river which is snow-fed. Snow-fed का मतलब होता है बेटा, फेड का मतलब होता है जैसे फीडिंग का पेट भरना। तो नदी के लिए क्या हो, नदी का किस रेफरेंस में आएगा? नदी के रूप में स्नो फेड, मतलब जो उसमें वाटर होता है वो किससे आता है? स्नो से। सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? गंगा और नर्मदा। हियर राइट आंसर विल बी गंगा. Right answer will be Ganga because Ganga originates from Gangotri glaciers. Next is the Great Plains are. The Great Plains are. You have to tell about the Great Plains. Great Plains are mostly fertile, rocky. What will be the correct answer? Mostly fertile. Great Plains are mostly fertile. Yes, student? Great Plains are not rocky but fertile. जो ग्रेट प्लेन होते हैं वो उपजाऊ होते हैं, ना कि चट्टानी होते हैं. द इंडियन पेनिनसुला इज सराउंडेड बाई द इंडियन पेनिनसुला इज सराउंडेड बाई फर्स्ट वन इज mountains on the three sides, water bodies on three sides. What will be the answer? Many times I had told about the peninsula. So correct answer will be what? Mountains on three sides means peninsula के जो तीनों तरफ है, इंडियन पेनिनसुला के जो तीनों तरफ है बेटा, माउंटेन है तीनों तरफ, तीनों साइड, या वाटर बॉडीज है. सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? वाटर बॉडीज ऑन थ्री साइड्स. वाटर बॉडीज ऑन थ्री साइड्स means on the east side Bay of Bengal, on the west side Arabian Sea, and on the south side Indian Ocean. So the Indian peninsula is surrounded by mountain on the three sides. It is wrong, but the right will be water bodies on three sides. Keep in mind. Next is desert. Desert covers a large part of this state. All we know about the desert in India, and we also know about which state covers large part of desert. First one is Himachal Pradesh and second one is Rajasthan. So choose the correct answer. What will be the correct answer, beta? Tell. Yes, Rajasthan. The right answer will be Rajasthan. Next is match the following. column A and column B. You have to match column A with column B, and you are not allowed to use arrow. You have to use coding, or you can write side by side correct answer. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island is related with which? It is located in Bay of Bengal. So right answer will be C. Next is Purvanchal Range. Next one is Purvanchal Range, and Purvanchal Range is connected with Northeast India. It is called Northeast India. Next is Vindhya and Satpura Ranges. Vindhya and Satpura Ranges, it is related with Central India. Vindhya and Satpura Ranges located in Central India. So answer will be E. Okay. Next is Satluj and Brahmaputra. Satluj and Brahmaputra. Satluj and Brahmaputra is linked with snow-fed. Satluj and Brahmaputra, both rivers are snow-fed. So answer will be A. Next is narrow strips of plain land. Narrow strip of plain land, answer will be coastal plains, that are called coastal plains. So answer will be B. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands related with Bay of Bengal, Purvanchal Range, Northeast India, Vindhya and Satpura Ranges, Central India, Satluj and Brahmaputra, snow-fed rivers, narrow strips of plain land, coastal plains. Next is Habita, fill in the blanks. In this question you have to fill with the correct word. The Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the, what will be the correct answer? Northern part of, northern, here answer will be northern part of India. Second is we find the dash plains along the east and west coast of the country. We find the dash plains. Which plain we find? So correct answer will be, we find narrow strip. Narrow strip. We find the narrow strip plains along the east and west. A dash is an area of flat land that is higher than the area surrounding it. What will be the correct answer? Answer will be plateau. Plateau. Next is the Arabian Sea lies in the dash of Indian Peninsula. Right answer will be west. Arabian Sea lies to the west. And the last question is the dash desert is located in the northwestern part of the country. Right answer will be the Thar desert. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class. Here I am concluding my video, and learn all the things properly. Do comment in comment box. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.